Do you want to hide a post on your Instagram account without deleting it forever? Maybe it's an old embarrassing picture or a photo you're not quite sure you should be posting. You've probably looked for a private post button, but we won't find one. At the moment, Instagram doesn't have a way to make a single post private. When your account is public, all of your posts are public. But there is a simple and effective workaround. It's called the archive feature, and this could be a huge help. Archiving a post removes it from your profile, so your followers and the public can't see it. But it doesn't delete it. It's like putting it in a secure private folder that only you can access. We can do this in just a few clicks, plus I'll also show you how to get it back if you change your mind. I've got my phone on screen now. Step 1, go to your Instagram profile. Scroll down and find the post that you want to hide. Click on the post to open it, then look for these 3 dots in the top right hand corner. We'll tap on the 3 dots and a menu pops up. You'll see an option that says Archive. Click on that. The post is immediately removed from your profile grid and it's no longer visible to anyone but you. It's that simple. But where did it go? To find your archive posts, go back to your profile page. Look in the top right hand corner for the hamburger menu with the 3 horizontal lines. Click on that and this menu slides out. Select Archive. Make sure you're in the Posts Archive section and you'll see all the posts you've ever archived. If you ever change your mind and want to unhide a post, it's just as easy. From your Posts Archive, find the post that you want to bring back. Click on it to open it. Look for the 3 dots again in the top right hand corner. We'll click there. Now we can see this new option, Show on Profile. Click on that and the post will reappear on your profile in its original chronological spot with all its likes and comments back on there. It's a great way to keep your feed clean and up to date without ever having to permanently delete anything. If this video helps clean up your Instagram account, thank you for saying hi in the comments below or hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps me get to 100,000 subscribers, so thanks very much for your help. And right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next.